Okay, so I wanted to show you guys, I have stuff everywhere right now because I don't think I told you guys, but we're gonna be doing, well, we actually gave Mia her own room. I decided to get rid of the makeup room and give Mia her own room. So I have stuff everywhere right now because I have like this stuff right here is for DIY that I want to do for Mia's room. The thing is that I want to completely redo both of the rooms because their beds are horrible. The furniture is horrible, so I want to redo everything. But right now, with everything that's happening, I can't really go out and buy stuff. And like I told you guys before, I'm not really much of an online shopping, especially for furniture and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you guys what Mia's room looks like right now. This used to be my makeup room, like you guys, I don't know if you guys remember, but this is Mia's room now. Obviously this is not how it's gonna stay. I have so many ideas in my head. We're gonna completely redo this room. I had this like really light pink cortinas from when I used to have blush in the house, and I just decided to put them here. I don't know if they're gonna stay, but this bed is not gonna stay. We're gonna buy a new bed. I have so many ideas for this room, so we will see how it turns out. And once I have everything, I'll probably do like a little room makeover because I'm so excited. And then this is this room now. It's so empty. This room is bigger than Mia's room, but there's so much space right now. So this is Jay's room. This bed is not gonna stay. This nightstand and the dresser, I am going to DIY it because I don't want it white anymore. I want it brown, and I'm probably gonna spray paint the handles black because the idea that I have for this room too is gonna be like more boyish, more rustic. I don't know how to explain it. You guys will see. So then we are going to be redoing this room also. So I know this is gonna take time because this is gonna be a lot of money, and you know, like two rooms at the same time. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna start with Mia's room and then I'll do Ray's room. I don't know, but this is what's going on right now. It's so empty in here, and this one's empty too. So that's what we're doing right now. That's why I have so much stuff everywhere. Like I have things that have no place. Like my husband's guitars, we have literally nowhere to put them. They can't be in the garage because they get messed up with the heat. I have my Alex drawer. That's probably gonna go into storage because I still want it, but I'm not gonna use it right now. And then let me show you guys my whole vanity. I'm going to be doing, don't mind my dirty room, I'm going to be doing my makeup right here. So I brought my vanity to my room. I have all my stuff here. It fit perfectly. The door does hit a little bit, but I think it's just like we just have to get used to it, you know. So that's what we have here. My vanity is here. I also have another Alex drawer right there because I do have makeup that I need to storage and it doesn't fit here. So I don't know, we will see how things go little by little because I really don't like how that looks there. So we will see what happens. Now let's get back to cleaning.